Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you, friend? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So, dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. So dear friends, let's go the video. I'm back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women earring designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. Lemon crochet earrings. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive and most amazing collection. So dear friends, you know crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive and stylish. Also, so I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. About this collection, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers, as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this cross stitch women earrings designs. Different color, style, different ideas. So dear friends, other material like crochet women other jewelry, bedroom and necklace, bedsheet,